how to activate brake pad replacement mode in S-Class 223. So for this one, just first of all switch on the ignition, and first release the parking brake. Then switch on the ignition like radio position, not full. Then press and hold this key until 10 seconds. Then this button press and hold for 10 seconds. And press this one, you will see the workshop. Then scroll down and you will see the brake pad replacement. Press OK. Moving to fitting position. Like this, red light is blinking, yellow light is continuous glowing. It means brake pad mode is activated.